Welcome back on this Thursday morning. It's a quiet one yet again. We are going to stay dry over the coming days. There is still a small wildfire risk tomorrow and on Saturday. Temperatures will be unseasonably warm by the time the weekend rolls around, and then especially next week. Plus, next week we have the humidity, and it just kicks on full force for us for a couple of days. So for your next couple of days, we are going to be staying dry. Might take a little bit of time to take advantage of it by washing your car. We're in the clear as far as rain is concerned today, tomorrow, and into Saturday. At this moment, we're seeing still high pressure dominating our conditions. There will be a small disturbance that tracks south of the state. It is going to bump up the clouds today for us. So while we will start off at sunshine, look for more in the way of a mix of sun and clouds to partly cloudy skies for the second half of the day. Also, just a few light rain showers skirting the southern sections of Wisconsin and areas downstate today. And again for tomorrow, we're out of this, but if you're in those areas, you'll need the umbrella for those places. At this moment, clear, quiet, calm at the Mackinac Bridge. Our highs will be ranging into the 60s inland, especially along the Wisconsin state line, 50s along Lake Michigan, and then some 50s but some upper 40s along Lake Superior this afternoon. Tonight, our lows will be milder. We're looking at mid to upper 30s with a few low 40s. Tomorrow, we're looking more in the way of mid to upper 60s inland, and the shorelines to also be warmer for the most part into the 50s there. Tomorrow could also be just a little gusty with easterly winds having gusts of around 20 to 25 miles per hour. That coupled with low humidity values ranging in the 20s to 30% range will lead to a bit of a moderate wildfire risk at times for tomorrow afternoon and again for Saturday afternoon. So I just put it there still as a precautionary measure for you guys to kind of just keep that in mind. And a lot of us are trying to get our yards prepped and things like that, but maybe do a little bit of that brush burning next week and not over the next couple of days. Our wind flow in the upper levels will have a big ridge develop overhead and set shop right over us by next week, and it really amplifies. And we'll notice it with temperatures. Check this out. By Tuesday of next week, we're on the cusp of 80-degree weather, 80s in Wisconsin to 90s in areas in the Central Plains and all the way down into Texas. Not just that, but we're also going to notice with that big ridge, a southerly wind flow allow a lot of moisture to ride in out of the south. And you're seeing all of that green right there. It is going to be a humid one for several days next week. We also bring the potential of some showers and some thunderstorms for early next week.
We have more sports coming your way. Up next, TV6's Mike Ludlum shows us the Pirates and the Tigers.